We talk a lot about the future of healthcare, but not enough about who's actually going to provide it. Shortages are growing and patients are feeling it. Today, we're in Houston, where a new approach to medical education is working to close that gap before it's too late.
The U.S. healthcare system is not facing a cost crisis, but a capacity crisis. The biggest issue in healthcare right now is the demand. They don't have enough workers. We're seeing the demands of the hospitals, long waiting times. We have clinicians that are working 12, 13, 14 hours because of the shortage, qualified individuals, and so the demand is very high. People are exiting the field because of that, because they're being overworked in the high demand. What we're seeing from our employers is that they want qualified students when they're graduating.
Pima Medical Institute offers over 30 programs in allied healthcare, including medical, dental, and veterinary.
There is a large misconception about X-ray technologists that we are just button pushers or image takers. We are responsible for the radiation dose that the patient is getting. The quality of the technologist is important in that area.
What we've done with Pima Medical Institute's dental hygiene program is we have actually embedded those prerequisites into the curriculum. So instead of having to spend that initial year and a half in school, our students can immediately step into the program. Changing lives is ultimately what I'm here for.
I get to see the story. The impact is there. And that's the important part.
Joining me now is Andrea Snow and Andy Andrus from Pima Medical Institute. Thank you guys for being here. So from my perspective, the time is right. This is so important. Trade school, tell me about your program.
Sure. So we're an accredited institution. We've got 16 campuses offering everything from certificates to associate degrees and then on to bachelor's for students who are ready to get into the workforce and they want to find the most effective way to get there quickly and with a great education, making them practice ready.
Well, and the supply of labor of trained professionals is just falling.
Absolutely.
But X-ray techs, they're the unsung heroes, right? Because they're really determining how much radiation exposure, getting the angles right, operating the technology. It's incredible what they do.
And really focusing in on those imaging sciences, as we see that as a really good entry point for folks who want to change their life through education and training and really make an impact.
How long does it take?
Anywhere from 12 to 24 plus months. We're really focusing in
That's
on
fast.
It is, and it's really focusing in on that in the classroom, in the laboratory, and in the clinic training, so that we can get you educated successfully with meaning and purpose and out into the workforce as quickly as possible so that you can start to be impactful in this space.
And what are you hearing from the workforce, the hospitals and the clinics?
They're great partners for us.
Yeah.
Obviously, they want to hire.
They must be happy.
They're trying to catch up, right? And so anybody who's been in to try and see a doctor more recently is found waiting, right?
Yeah.
And so it's not just the doctor, it's all the support roles as well, and that's what we're really in business to be able to help provide.
Because what's different about Pima Medical Institute is the fact that we're not just teaching technical training, but we're going above and beyond to create those relationships, to teach things like soft skills and critical thinking, and prepare students to be able to be job ready on day one.
Yeah, thinking on your feet, thinking in a clinical setting, which is experience.
Yeah.
And that's where judgment comes from, right? And that's what you guys are providing.
That's a critical part of it.
Thank you guys for being here. To learn more about Pima Medical Institute and the healthcare programs helping train the next generation of professionals, visit pmi.edu. Don't go away.